Hello, my name is Mshongole Mkanuzi Adonis, founder, executive director of Young African Refugees Entrepreneurs Network, created since year 2017, located in Uganda, Nakivale Refugee Settlement. We have trained youth, women, and our different intervention, more than 2000 yet since we have started. And today I am sharing with you this opportunity to launch our campaign, begging your help for the challenge which the world is running into. Since we have been working with teenagers in Nakivale Refugee Settlement, we empower them more and more in different skills, and then to defeating the COVID-19, we've created a training center to produce making masks for vulnerable refugees, especially teenagers, pregnancies, and fellow others pregnancies to attend in a right way the appointments programs, which means that our training center still very down. We have an equipment, but would like to beg your support so that we produce more. We are looking to provide 1,200 masks, where we need also 16 betange with accessories of these betange. We need also 5 machines to add on what we have yet, so that we try to help these teenagers, because it's on their basis, in order to see how they can earn and generate income after the COVID-19, I mean the post-COVID-19. Though I thank you all for your support that enhancing this vulnerable community. Once again, I would like to show you this is how the project is running, its equipment, and the team working. Among these is teenagers, mothers, and other teenager youth, whom some of them that train as facilitators of these teenagers. You can see some of others that are there, even though the COVID-19 is there, but they just miss how to continue with the opportunity. You can also try to see the place is still not comfortable, but hope wherever we'll get the equipment, through your donation, your support on this project, it will really help us to change the looks of this project. I trust and believe that it is not really easy right today, but within the time. So, as you have seen how the work is going on, and I mentioned that we need 5 tailoring machines, need 16 betange, and so necessary small material accessories, and this will cost